if something like this has happened, and
as alluded earlier on, the parole board was seized with a parole hearing involving inmate Oscar Pistorius and the victims of the crime. They deliberated and they've arrived at a particular decision which was largely guided by a clarification order from the Supreme Court, which stated that Mr. Pistorius has not yet reached the minimum detention period. And when the parole board went through that, they then gave him what we call a further profile for August 2024, meaning that he will have to appear again next year, and they will then look into the profile and make a decision in terms of his placement. But for now, it was a matter of saying he has not served the minimum detention period. In simple English, half of the sentence is yet to be served. What it means is that Mr. Pistorius will continue serving the sentence, and as we have inmates with us all the time, continuously we assess the risk and make a decision which is in the best interest of the inmate. If there is a need that he be transferred to another facility, they will do so. If he's to be kept here, that will also happen. But for now, he continues to serve a sentence. No one is said to be denied parole, but if there are interventions, you provide space for such. But if a person is yet to serve the minimum period, you also provide for such. Hence, it is called further profiling, meaning that come August 2024, he would have reached the minimum detention period. Then the board will make a decision. The note that we have before us only cites the issue of the minimum detention period. If there are other details, those could be available to us, but the note that was given to us at this particular time was that the minimum detention period has not been served. As I've said, we've had a number of orders, and you have to work in line with what is before you. And when you get a supplementary order, an updated one, you cannot ignore and say, because this is what you've said based on the previous one, therefore we're not moving. You have to respect decisions of the court,
so
unfortunately.
Was it failure then to communicate timelessly to avoid all of this then? Because somewhat, this information you say you received on the 28th...
And was only made available to us today.
Only made... So
yes.
Somewhere along the line, the communication certainly could have arrived earlier to avoid the victim's family and Mr. Nzimalo from going through this kind of pain.
I think it's something that one can always just say, when was it issued and when was it delivered to us? I think technically, and I wouldn't want to go around circles around that, because what matters is that we've got a clarification order, and the parole board has made its decision based on it, but there could be other material issues which are not in front of me as yet. All that we're communicating for now is the decision of the parole board.